guys, today we are going back home with Home Alone.
Very wise.
Nairang mo.
Ima, can you please shut up?
Soon we will go to a forest. You should be quiet like Cyrus A. Okay, good. We are going on a nice family trip to home, right, Appa?
Hết à? Nhân sân hình nghe lấy lằng tộc chứ? Đó thì khán chú là khi chút trả là hay hiện là gì chứ? Là chút trả lệ rồi.
Canadic to em.
Là chút cảng rồi khai khăn.
No, tell me.
Thì khăn mo?
Thì khán đi lằng chiếng ra.
Didi.
Lê.
So,
Khôi yang cái cũng cẩn thận đấy.
we are going home alone. We are going home alone.
Nó rải khá cල් về đó ném.
Yep.
Nó rải khá hồ về đó ném.
Well, let me show Nora in the camera. There. Say hello to Nora. Okay.
We are going back to our house.
On the way, we will meet a very big forest.
A spider.
Go away, spider. Spider, go away. Spider, go away. Apa, spider, mania.
Don't worry, kalbo mo yan.
Get out. Blow it away. Sorry, we are fighting with a spider. I had enough of you. Taste my own chapel. No. Yeah. Hi.
Hiding.
Where did it hide? Oh, bro.
Xuân lập tụi nó không mấy mấy gì.
Okay, never mind.
Chiang lực.
On
Ima,
with the video,
you can do it right now.
we go over some nice little buildings.
Hello, little spider.
And we meet more big trees.
Cái về lampang kia yan, cái mình vào pakat. Fel về em mấy số là số nào mà.
As we go on our family trip,
Pathian ram te hit hatin ape
as we
ani
go on
lo
our family trip,
Pathian ram hatin pe thei number kan nei lo ni.
as we go on our family trip, we meet some big trees here.
Chung kwa chuan chung ko re thei de ber ne har sa de ber ma se la tek mai sa kle ni pa bo ral to a
And here comes the biggest tree I've ever known of my collection. The Banyan! Say hello to Mr. Banyan. Say hello to Mr. Banyan, guys.
ka fanu hian ice cream adu a ti nain
I want
ice cream omang o
I want takatak.
kan hu chuan ice cream kan leang
Masih shop kakang mu kan lo mu chuanin mo lace taka lo bayro.
No rai khan taka taka du vem ice cream mo
Do
du
you want takatak?
oh taka taka kan du lo vik mai a taka tak su kan lei lo mai no man le
I want this.
I want takata and she wants lace and she wants ice cream.
She wants ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream dito lang. Ice cream siya.
Ice cream.
So la ka na gito.
Ice cream. Like an ice cream. Yeah, that is so pronoun.
He wants to, maybe he wants to eat a spider.
1100, 11 T, 11. 1100, 11 T, 11.
So la ka na po so bang so yan. So nga tutoy la bang.
I want to go, taka, taka, taka. I want to go. Oh.
กันซุ่มกลัวเล่นกินกันดูสิกันกาเมราพอให้กันดวงตั้งกันติมาเทแล้วนี่อีมาลันเวทให้กันดูเสียอีมาเฮ็ดตินหล่นทุเพย์ดูเสียละส่วนเจมินกงซองนั่นก็เป็นเรื่องที่แข่งกันดาวอ๋อapa hilang bikul ada ro hela hela oh dikali hilang sayang ah
And now we go over some big forest.
Forest akal hinwam le kanti le tri ni kai ni chung kwa hian
Say hello to big.
he lampang he kong kwal zo
Say hello to big. The biggest tree I know.
kan kal na kong ai khan kem thum tin na zo ka ma se la hon na la mai chu he la mai kan ho fo ani forest atlan hinwam ni kan ti thei tu ka kai ni chung
Like and
kwa te hian
Like and subscribe if you love forest. my
idea le ni very idea
Yeah, very idea.
As we go over this place, we will meet some big trees. These trees get bigger as I speak, actually, because it's kind of weird. And also, say hello to a big tree. His name is Mr. Tree. And this is Mrs. Tree. As you know, that trees give us oxygen.
kan commentator ver
And also, but if we cut down the trees, then you will die.
why
Because trees give us oxygen, and if there was no trees, then no one will give us oxygen, and then we will die.
How die is it?
I don't care. I don't know.
What die? What die?
I said I don't know. I don't know. Ano sige na na ba? Lagyan na sinisi. Ano ba
And where's the tree?
By the way, we meet some weird trees that look like lepidodendrons.
mình cái hết là hết rồi
Yeah, but-
ike khang la si da khan
Yeah, but don't talk to.
ike hilang la tiyan oh tiyan thula
Yeah, but don't. Okay, so don't talk to tall trees. They may be lepidodendrons, and if you talk to those tall trees, they may send you to dinosaur age, like a lepidodendron does. Lepidodendron trees are the dangerous trees. If one gets too close to you, then you get sent to dinosaur age. But I'm in the video now. We made a big bush and trees. And also you can see a knockdown electricity tower, I think. I don't know what's that.
What's this? Wanna make it?
And here is a bigger, and here's a very big tree we meet. And also I can't fit it in the screen, I think.
Let's find Mesa.
Yeah. But don't pretend that we are playing driving simulator because this is not because life is like a game, and when you beat the game, you die.
A 10.
100. Wait, By the way, we will let this video reach 5,000 likes.
Look at this. I want ice cream. I want ice cream.
As we keep going, we will meet more things.
I could have the gun. What's that sound?
Zai thiam anh nha. Các bạn đưa lại here zai thiam anh nha.
And also, if you remember me, viewers, I am now 7 years old. Wait, let me check today's season. Today's season is shit. Ah. By the way, we are going on a road. And look, there's a big thingy. I don't know what is that thing. I don't care about it.
Where is the ice cream? Garhara.
No, I want
Garhara bazaar ante ni.
taka kado.
Garhara bazaar ayan.
Taka kado.
Taka taki vom lo ve a.
Ice cream cone.
Ice cream.
No, I want takatak.
Ice cream.
Takatak. Takatak, you idiot.
No, ice cream you mean.
Taka.
Spider.
Taka.
Tahan takatak lela kang ah. Iman takatak aduh ah.